Welcome back, focused learners, to another explainer. So we've got a massive, honestly kind of unexpected shift happening right now in the tech world. You know that artificial intelligence we all thought was just going to live on the internet forever? Well, it's actually moving completely offline. Okay, let's dive into this. The catalyst for all this is huge news from Circle Cloud Services. They just announced a really groundbreaking partnership with Google Cloud to take the premium, ultra-powerful Gemini model entirely offline. No way, right? So Google's incredibly powerful AI is now available air-gapped. And if you aren't familiar with the term, air-gapped basically means the system is physically totally isolated from any unsecured network, like the public internet. We're talking about running this model on physically isolated Google-certified Dell appliances that are absolutely packed with 8 heavy-duty NVIDIA GPUs. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the extreme security protocol they're using. The Gemini model literally resides entirely in volatile memory. What that means in plain English is, if the power goes out, or if someone even tries to physically tamper with the box, the whole system instantly shuts down and completely wipes the model. It is essentially a Mission Impossible-style self-destruct mechanism for AI. You might be wondering, why go to this level of paranoia? Well, highly sensitive sectors, think healthcare, government, defense, finance, they're all realizing that relying on third-party cloud infrastructure is just too risky. Modern connected software has unfortunately proven to be vulnerable to anyone with enough time and money to poke around at it. So the new gold standard for security is incredibly simple. If you aren't connected, you just can't be hacked. But there is a catch. This extreme security makes updating the AI a massive undertaking. To get a new version of the model weights, companies essentially have two options. They can try to establish a highly restricted temporary private connection to Google servers, or, get this, they might literally have to load the entire appliance onto a plane and physically ship it back to Google. It's wild. And this brilliantly illustrates the two totally fascinating extremes of local AI right now. On one side, we have these giant air-gapped enterprise boxes designed for big business. But on the exact opposite end, we're seeing this massive surge in consumer local AI, like tiny, super helpful macOS models that literally live right on your mouse cursor to give you instant context. It just goes to show that you don't always need a massive, super powerful cloud model to get smart private results. So what does this all mean? If everyone from giant defense contractors all the way down to everyday Mac users is pivoting to local AI, did the cloud actually fail to be the perfect one-size-fits-all solution it was hailed as? Is the era of cloud AI already over? Think about that for a second. Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you in the next one.